Hello lovely people, how are you all doing? I hope you're doing great from wherever you're watching me from. Thank you for tuning to this channel. Thank you for clicking on this video. Today we are going to be doing a quick review of the Samsung Galaxy Watch 5. Okay, this is a watch with so many functions. You're going to find out more about this watch later in the video. Before we go into that, I want to say a very big thank you to all my returning subscribers. Thank you all for always watching my videos and leaving encouraging comments. And if you're new here, if you're not subscribed, if you love content about Germany immigration information, unboxing and reviews, health and lifestyle videos, please do well to subscribe and stay with us, and ensure you always watch the videos to get notified. You can always click on the notification bell, and if you love this video and you find it helpful, okay, this will watch, like I said, the Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 has so many functions. What I love about it is that I can reply messages through this watch. Of course, you connect it to your phone, whatever gadget you're using through. Okay, you connect it through Samsung wearables. You get this app on your phone and connect it, and you make sure you download other apps that you need. Then you are able to reply messages. This is what I love about it. WhatsApp messages, text messages, you answer phone calls with this. Okay, and if you are much far away, it also works with Bluetooth. If you're so much far away, you may not be able to connect. Okay, the both devices that are connected must be in the same environment for this to be much more functional. All right, okay. And this watch, okay, you can measure your heart rate, your blood pressure, all about health, oxygen. You can also wear it when you sleep to measure, okay, your blood oxygen and sleep levels. You enter all your data concerning your health, and then it's able to monitor these things and make sure you are healthy. When you're active, it also records how many steps you take in a day, whatever activity you involve yourself into, whether it's running, okay, whether you exercise through another means. Okay, this app that you have in your phone is also able to record and give you details and track it to ensure that you're making great progress. Okay, there's so much more that you find out for yourself through this video. Keep watching to find out more, and do not forget to subscribe, turn the notification bell on so be aware whenever I post new videos. Until then, I see you. Bye.